Hello everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni and welcome to my channel Super Kitchen. And I know I'm not a professional cook or maybe a tidy cook, but I can say that I'm a passionate cook and I will bring a lot of new recipes, or maybe I'll introduce many new recipes to you that you know, but I will show it with a little bit of twist and a super magic wand that I have. Yes, so you don't need too many things to cook something tasty. You just need to follow the right technique, and also you can add the ingredients that you have at home and make something really yummy and tasty to satisfy your tummy. So today I have brought to you a special and yummy breakfast, that is egg prawn toast. Yes, so to make the egg prawn toast you will require this ingredients: just bread. So I have combined brown and white bread because my husband loves brown bread, and just this two spice. That's it. So we will mix all of them together and then add the spice which I have already added. So add the spice and then we will put the bread in it and fry it. So stay tuned with me to see how it turns out. See, I have mixed up everything together. Now the final result is this after mixing up. So now I will dip all these good braids into this batter that I have made, and I will fry it in dip oil. Now wait and see what happens. Okay, so now welcome to the second part of the video where I have brought to you on stuff. No, you're not on stuff. Anyways, so now what I did is I took a pan and then I made sure that the pan is hot. After that, I poured in enough oil and then I dipped all my bread into the mixture that you have seen and then put them all to fry or place them in such a way that I could deep fry all the parts. And when you will see that, now you're seeing on the screen that there are some bubbles like this, that means the other part is almost done, so you need to flip it. So I have successfully flipped all the parts, and now I will give it some time to cook because there are other fillings on the other side and that needs to be cooked properly. Yes, so we need to cook it properly so that all the parts are deep fried and it's really yummy, tasty and crispy when we are eating it. So let's wait and see what happens. Okay people, so this is the final result after plating the egg prawn toast. It's really quick and easy. Just egg, prawn, tomatoes, onion and spices. That's it. Nothing else. So it's really easy to make and it will be a satisfying breakfast and also a perfect snack in the evening with evening tea. So please make this dish and let me know. I'm sure your dish will turn out great because I have burned one of them a little bit more slightly. Anyways, so that's about it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also hit the notification bell if you want to see all my this homely dishes, not at all professional but passionate cook. Yes, so all these dishes will be prepared by the passionate cook.